Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in the last video, I will tell you about fridge insurance policy. But friends, today in this video, I am going to tell you about fridge insurance policy or how does fridge insurance policy does work. Let's we start our video. Certainly friends, fridge guard protecting your appliance, protecting your peace of mind. Kitchen day. We see a family bustling around the kitchen, preparing breakfast. Suddenly, a loud noise emanates from the refrigerator. Mother, oh no, not again. Father, what's wrong with it now? Child, is it broken? The family gathers around the refrigerator, inspected it worriedly. Living room day. The family sits on the couch looking concerned. Father, I do not know how we are going to afford to fix it. We just had it repaired last month. Mother, I wish we had some kind of insurance for appliances like this. The child looks up from their tablet. Child, maybe we should check out Fridge Guard. They have a policy that covers all kinds of fridge problems. Office day. The family sits across from an insurance agent discussing options. Agent, welcome to Fridge Guard. Our policy covers everything from mechanical breakdowns to food spoilage due to power outage. Father, that sounds exactly like what we need. Agent Plus, with our 24/7 customer service, you can get help anywhere, anytime. Mother, what about the cost? Agent, our premiums are affordable and can save you a lot of money in the long run. And if you bundle with other appliance coverage, you will save even more. The family nods in agreement, feeling reassured. Kitchen day. A repair technical from Fridge Guard is fixing the refrigerator while the family waits. Technician, your compressor was on the fridge, but don't worry, it's covered under your Fridge Guard policy. Father, thanks goodness we have that coverage. Mother, and we did not lose all our groceries this time thanks to the food spoilage coverage. The family smiles, relieved that they would not have to worry about the unexpected appliance expenses anymore. Living room day. The family sits together enjoying a meal from their fully functional refrigerator. Child, I am glad we got Fridge Guard. Now we don't have to stress about our appliances breaking down. Father, that's right. With Fridge Guard, we are covered and can focus on what really matters. Mother, and if anything does happen, we know we are in good hands. The family shares a moment of gratitude for their newfound peace of mind, knowing that Fridge guard has their back. Narrator, don't let appliance problems catch off your guard. Protect your appliances and your peace of mind with Fridge guard today.